Cheers, Helen. We're on Bailey's. And hello and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Kaz in my bra getting ready for a party, and that's Helen over there. And welcome to the video. We're on Bailey's. It's Sarah's 40th birthday party, and if you can't guess by the t-shirt there, it's all 80s. So this is an 80s look and costume that we are going to be doing. You'll see my look and then obviously pictures and videos of the party afterwards. So let's get going. Complete get ready with me. I've got nothing on at all, as you can tell. Let's get going. Right, first things first. These lights are bright. We're going to put on some primer, which is the GRWM anti-aging primer. There we are. I have rubbed that all in, down my neck and everywhere, and just tap it over my eyes. And are we videoing your makeup look then, Helen? It's up to you. You spoke on my video. Yay! Right, that's on. Now I'm going to use the powder foundation again because I like it. The Urban Decay Stay Naked The Fix 30NN is what I am using. Trying to find things. There we go. And in we go with... Should we do concealer? Do concealer first. I did it after last time and it didn't quite work, so we'll do concealer first. Doo-ba-doo-doo. Cover the friends up. There we go. I'm going to do it with a mirror and not the monitor, otherwise I'll poke myself in the eye and we'll have concealer everywhere. Right, I'm going to do it high and over my eyebrows because, like I said, we're doing an 80s look. Yours is going to be pink, isn't it, dear? Mm-hmm. We're going to have different colours, but we're going to have, mine's going to be more blue. So, well, that's the plan anyway. We'll soon see what we end up with. Right. Plaster myself in concealer. Right, there's the concealer on. And off we go, beating the face with the powder. Right, we've just been up to Sarah's and she has a gazebo up. It was meant to be in a nice place. What's it called? Assembly rooms place. But obviously with the horrible 2020 thing, we can't do it there. So it's up at Sarah's house and she's got a gazebo up there waiting. Do the whole booglies as well. And we're all meeting up there at 7. Now, as far as I know, we've got about an hour to get ready, or just under, because just over an hour.
It's nearly 10 to 6.
There we go then, just over an hour to get ready. There. I think I'm well covered there. Right, calm my eyes down, give it a squirty squirty. And check the under eyes, which have creased already. Woman typical. Doobity-doo. Yeah, so she doesn't know that we're dressing up in the 80s. She wanted her party to be the 80s. And she doesn't know that we're all going to be dressing up as the 80s. She's picked out this lovely dress, which then she'll have to wear things on top. So that's going to, I don't know if it'll... well, I'm sure she'll enjoy it, won't she?
Hope so.
Right, there's the base done. Next, I think I'll stick some colour on, because the 80s look I was looking for means lots of colour. Where's my switchy board? Because you know me, I'm a dirty bitch and I have not cleaned my brushes again. Yet. Not again. Right, blush colour. Pink. I'm using, I'll show you, Jawbreaker from Jeffree Star. And I'm looking for blush colours. and popping that on. Now I've had this picture on my phone and I was going for it, but I'm going to use eyeshadow because it'll stay. And hopefully it blends. And we're just going to slap it on. You know what picture I'm on about, don't you, Helen?
No.
No? Oh.
Show me lots.
Hey?
You've shown me lots of different pictures.
Lots and lots. Eyeshadow doesn't necessarily blend, but we'll see. Can always get the old big brush out and give it a good blending. So I'm just putting this, get this right, around my eyes yet. High blush. Blend it out, Kaz, come on. There we go. And then we're going to use this for bronzing. And hopefully it'll blend it in. If it doesn't, then I've got pink cheeks. Is that blending in? Yes, thank God. We'll just do a bit of contour. Bronzing in there. Bronze. And I'm having my hair up, so I've got to do the back and as much of what's... There we go. How does that look?
Quite bright.
They were quite bright though, weren't they? Mm-hmm. Right, now for the eyes. Brush. Dusty palette. Now I'm mainly going for blue, which is going to fill this colour here. Can't read what it says. Brain freeze. And we're going to put that Fallout. Oh my God. Good job I'm multicoloured. Jeez. Right. Blooming heck. God. Good job I was going to blend a bit in, and now I've just got to blend it in a little bit further down. God. They're a bit soft, aren't they? So we're just blending in this blue.
They're not normally like that then.
They can be soft Jeffree Stars, yeah. Very soft, but I didn't realise his pigment ones, this is going to be a pigment palette, was going to be so soft. But there we go. We've dealt with it.
I like that other blue.
Oh, the one I licked on the video.
I don't know. Lick them all.
Oh, yes. There we go. Then I've got to bring in, what other colours have I got on? Yellow, my favourite.
Yellow and pink.
We have a yellow brush. And we'll douse in the yellow. This is Wow. Whee! And we'll fill that in with the yellow. We'll fill that in. We'll just go straight in on my face. If it falls out, it falls out. Okay, the yellow does not fall out, but it blends in with that, and hopefully there's a bit of green. Yay, there he is. Can you see that? Hopefully. Plaster it in this one. How far did I go? More. Blend it in with them. Hopefully there's a bit of green coming through. A bit more. More. And we'll use the same brush, and we're just going to dab into Soaked, which is that colour, and put that into the outer corner. That vanished a bit more. Is that turning green? Can you see?
Slightly, yeah.
Not as green as I thought it would go. But anyway, here we go. Carry on. Right. Mix of the yellow and blue underneath. Hopefully. Makes the green. Does it now? Like so. And I think we're nearly there. Just that we've got a patch right in the middle of the pink, haven't we?
Yeah.
No, get out of that. Gotta fill it in a bit. That one and that one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
La 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 la. That's better. And now Helen's sat there thinking, oh God, she's doing my makeup in a minute. You don't have to have such a dramatic makeup if you don't want to, dear. It's not in here, isn't it? Right, in with the Crystallize, which is my Alchemy palette, and we're going to go for the Jaded Green and jazzle up that, bejazzle up that corner. I love that word. I know it's totally wrong, but there we go. I love it. Bejazzle. It's like our friend Carol. She hits moist as much as she can. Everything's moist. But there we go. Now that's not too blue makeup because I am actually going to be doing my hair blue, which is exciting. Right. God, I'm hot. What coloured lip?
Surely it's got to be.
We'll have to dive into the Kat Von D lip liners and hope there is a bright pink. Yay! So we'll dive in with the lip liner, Kat Von D, they're twisty up ones. And find me mirror. And let's get this on the lips. And Helen's found a lippy. So you're going to have blue lips, are you?
No.
Right, we've got a little tiny, what is this?
It's a...
Fearless Fuchsia Avon lipstick from Helen's little bag of tricks. I had a pink one, I know I did. The Jeffree Star, loads of pink ones, but...
You used to wear pink all the time.
Yeah. Where they went, I do not know. For the looks of this colour, this was probably one of them I bought. Does it need anything else, do you think?
Mascara.
Just mascara.
Lots of mascara.
I'll tell you what it needs.
New buzzer.
Ka-ching! So I've got that down like so. My cheeks, there you go, you can see now. Cheeks are all pinky. Now we're going to put the glitter, which is Regina George from Jeffree Star. We're going to have a good dousing of this. Firstly, on my lips. And ka-ching, ka-ching as a highlighter. That works. On the end of the nose. Ka-ching, ka-ching. There. How's that? Yay! Right, mascara, hair, and we'll be back in a mo. Hello, I'm back. A bit of eyeliner. Bit of mascara. I'm going to put some black eyeliner on in a momento. Herrings. My hair with the jazzly bejazzlies of blue to go with. Hello, hello, hello. You'll see pictures, I'm sure, later on. And then if I stand up, if I can, not used to wearing a boufflong. Let me just reverse that. Oh, there we go. I love the 80s. And then obviously, my thingy on. Tutu, that's what you call it, that's right. Tutu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you.
Oh!
Oh, is it? Sorry.
Sarah!
Get me sugar and food in my mouth, why not?
No, I didn't. I missed it. I got Lucy though.
Did you get the boobs?
I'm always there.
Got 'em. You again.
Still the one.
Pricklies. Hello, dear. You're not going to say anything. Hello, girls. Hi. Where are you? There you are. Hello, mate. Go get these reprobates in here. There's one. Hello, my darling. You look very, very pretty.
Doesn't like
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Abby,
She's a sex addict.
I don't want to. They're not allowed to see it. Sarah might be rude.
Oh, I know she is.
Yeah, not until the kids are in bed.
I'm gonna wish it.
How can you be so pro? Yes,
Oh,
you've got to
don't.
do it
No.
just for the picture. Just for the picture.
You should be biting it straight off the cake.
Yes, Sarah. And then eat a bit of the cake while you're at it.
You do.
Like your picture.
Let me remind you, Sarah, your son stood behind you and your son stood to one side.
I've seen Mum do that.
Well,
Have you?
I'm just.
Woo!
I need a better lock on the door.
Hello,
You've been
sweetie.
watching your mum. You dirty little baby.
Sex addict.
Like him.
Right. It's a...
Whoa! How did it zoom in?
It really does look
It's recording, that's why.
too tall out.
You're on video, okay?